Hi, this is Mike Fleming, and I am the president of Sales Tax and More. And I'd like to answer a frequently asked question we get, and that is a sales source to the location of a buyer or to the seller? And, as is so often with my answers, I'm going to say it depends. Lots of sales tax answers are going to get that answer. And in this situation, some of the items it depends on. Uh, what's being sold? Is it a service? Is it a digital property? Is it tangible personal property? And often the details of the transaction are going to matter. In some cases, it may be sourced to neither the buyer's location or the seller's location. It may be sourced to the place of delivery. And when we're talking about tangible personal property, that's generally how it goes. So it's not shipped, it's not billed to the billed to address or, the address of the buyer. If you're in a store, and the buyer picks it up right there, then that's where the transaction is going to be sourced and the tax is paid. But so often, people buy things and have it shipped to a third party. Maybe it's a gift, or maybe they're sending it to their summer home. So where that tangible personal property is being shipped is generally where that sale is going to be sourced. Now, if the seller has a link or connection that we call nexus with where that product is being shipped, then they're going to ask that purchaser for either a resale certificate or an exemption certificate in that ship to state. And if they can't provide that, then they have to charge the tax in that ship to state. So, when we start talking about digital property and, services, services are generally going to be based on where the service is performed or where the benefit of the service is received. With digital products, it's the information that's available. There's a hierarchy of information that's available to the seller at the time of the purchase. And sometimes it boils down to the name and address on the credit card that you're taking over the internet. So lots of different variations in there. But for tangible personal property, it's generally going to be wherever the buyer takes possession or where the buyer has asked it to be shipped. When it reaches the destination, that's going to be where that sale is sourced. I hope that this sheds a little bit of light on this question, and see you next time when we're answering your next frequently asked question. Thanks, everyone. Bye-bye.